Good evening, my dear students. I hope you all are fine. Today I am going to explain similarity of two triangles, secondly criteria of two similar triangles, and I will show you how to prove that criteria. Okay, let's start. Okay guys, now I am just going to explain this part, similarity of two triangles. Okay, similarity of two triangles. So that similar, that one I have explained in my last video. I think you have seen, but you have not seen, then you must see this one first. Okay, so similarity of two triangles, I am writing what are the conditions are there. First of all, the angles of the corresponding angles of two triangles are equal. This one is first point. Okay, once two triangles having corresponding angles are equal, then two triangles are similar. And another point is there, the corresponding sides of two triangles are proportional. If these 2 points satisfied of two triangles, then definitely these two triangles are similar. These are the basic of similarity of two triangles. Now next point is most important. What are the criteria? Criteria of similarity of two triangles. What are the criteria there? Two triangles be similar. Most important, as you are class 10 student, you keep attention properly. And what are the criteria there? First criteria is there, maybe angle, angle, angle. They are equal for both the triangles. Angle, 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 the corresponding angles are equal for both the triangles. Maybe it is one condition of similar of two triangles. And second is their side, side, side. Two triangles having sides are proportionally equal. If this condition satisfying, then also two triangles are similar. And third criteria is there, side, angle, side. With this criteria also two triangles be similar. Then I will explain one by one. Just in case of two triangles, this one, just I am giving what is the concept there. So there are two triangles. This one is side is 50 degree, this one is 70, this one is 60. Then there are also 50, 70 and 60. Okay, so this one is ABC and this one is PQR. As corresponding angles are equal, angle A equal to angle P and angle B equal to angle Q and angle C equal to angle R. If like this, then these two triangles are similar. But how to prove that one I will show. Then in case of side means what? So there are two triangles PQR and another triangle is there XYZ. Their side ratio is there, say it is 2, 4 and that is 3, 6 and 4, 8. You see the ratio of this one 2 by 4 and 3 by 6 and 4 by 8. Their sides are what? Proportional. You see PQ by XY and QR by YZ and PR by XZ. They are proportionally equal. In that condition also, two triangles be similar. And another one is there, side angle side. So there are two triangles. Okay, one angle is side is 70 degree and this one also 70. Name it side is ABC and this one is PQR. Okay, now this side is 3 and this one is 6. So this one is 4, this one is 8. So what is the ratio? 3 by 6 equal to 4 by 8. The AB by PQ and AC by PR, they are equal. And one included angle also equal there. Means corresponding sides are proportional and one included angle equal. In that condition, side angle side. So with these three criteria, we can solve these two, we can show two triangles are similar. Okay? Okay guys, now let's show this one, that angle similarity criteria in short. But first you see what is the statement there. If in two triangles the corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are proportional and hence two triangles are similar. First I am drawing there two triangles I am drawing there. Okay, one is ABC triangle and another is PQR triangle. Okay, so first let triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Let triangle ABC and PQR in which given their angles, corresponding angles are equal, in which say angle A corresponding angle P, then angle B corresponding angle Q and angle C corresponding R. These are given in the questions. Then the corresponding sides are proportional, that one I will show. And we have to show there to prove triangle of ABC similar to triangle PQR. You keep attention and understand it properly, otherwise you cannot do. So first you have to construct there. What do you construct? Whatever AB length is there, with the measure of AB, we are cutting there. So it is this one is PS equal to AB and PT equal to AC. With measure draw cut off AB equal to PS and AC equal to PT. With measure of AB cut off PS and AC cut off PT. Okay. Now, how do you prove this one? There are two triangles and join there. One thing more you write, join ST. ST you join there, okay? Up to this one is clear? Now in triangle ABC and PST, now how to prove I am showing. Now in triangle ABC and triangle PST, out of these two triangles, what can I write? AB equal to PS can write what? By construction. By construction. Then again next step what you write? AC equal to PT. This also with construction we can write this one. And another one write this angle equal to this angle. You write there angle of BSC equal to angle of SPT. So it is what? Since it is given only, you write there directly, it is given. Because already I have shown angle A equal to angle P written, no? So by naming this one, BSC equal to this. So you can write triangle of ABC congruent to triangle PST. By what property? Side angle side. Side angle side. By side angle side congruency. By that congruency property, we can show these two triangles are congruent, and that angle already I have given, but in short I have written angle A and P. There are many sums are there. I have written complete name BSC equal to SPT. I think up to this one is clear. Okay. Now come to next part. Okay. Okay guys, next part, that is one we can write there. This already I proved this triangle and this triangle congruent. Then we can write there angle of what? That ABC. Angle of ABC equal to angle of PST. What? On what condition? By CPCT. Why CPCT? These two triangles we have shown congruent. Okay. And another one can write angle of ACB equal to angle of PTS. This also same reason, CPCT. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of this one? As ABC equal to PQR, then we can write, so we can write there, instead of ABC, we can write PQR. Instead of ABC, we can write there PQR equal to PST. Okay. So this one also can write, but as it is already one part written, enough. Okay. PQR equal to PST can write. Once PQR equal to PST, since angle B equal to angle Q, it is given. It is given. Okay. As they are corresponding, angles, so ST parallel to QR is clear. Once this angle equal to this angle equal to this angle, even this angle equal to this angle, so we can write these two lines are parallel as form of corresponding. Okay. So once these two lines are parallel, now what can we write? Now we can write there PS by PQ equal to PT by PR by BPT form. Okay. By BPT theorem. By BPT. Basic proportionality theorem I have shown. In case of these two lines are parallel, we know that their parts are proportionally equal, PS by SQ and PT by TR. Even we can convert this one PS by PQ and PT by PR. Same meaning. Now, then what can we write? PS remains same. PS remains same, and instead of PQ, so we replace this one by PS, whereas PS is there, we can write this one is AB, and instead of PQ remains same, and PT is equal to AB according to a construction. So PT replaced by SC by PR. Okay. Then similarly we can prove AB by PQ equal to BC by QR. So AB by PQ, AC by PR and BC by QR. Okay. Up to this one clear? The sides are also proportional. AB by PQ and AC by PR and BC by QR can write. Okay. Next part I am showing next one. Okay. Okay guys, now you see this one given and it is written in the theorem, that is their corresponding sides are proportional. So I have shown this one how corresponding sides are proportional. Now we can write, so we can write triangle of ABC similar to triangle PQR. So is it clear? So hence it is proved. Hence proved. Okay guys, I think it is very clear to you, and next two criteria more are there. That two criteria you do it by yourself as homework, and if you find any problem you can comment to me. Okay.